In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an autosave-like feature in Microsoft PowerPoint using AutoRecover. If you've ever lost a slide because your computer froze or the power flickered, this quick tweak will give you more peace of mind. This isn't the cloud autosave tied to OneDrive. We're simply using PowerPoint's built-in AutoRecover to capture frequent snapshots right on your computer. Think of it as a safety net that quietly writes a temporary copy behind the scenes so your progress isn't lost if something unexpected happens. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint, then create a new blank presentation. Next, go to the top left corner and click File to open the Backstage view. Choose Options. When the settings window appears, look at the categories on the left and click Save, which is usually near the top. In the Save panel, find Save AutoRecover Information Every, followed by a number of minutes. This controls how often PowerPoint stores recovery data in the background. By default, the interval is often longer than most of us would like. Change it to about 5 minutes or even 4 if you want extra protection. Shorter intervals mean more frequent safety copies, so if something goes wrong, you'll have a recent version to fall back on. Just remember that extremely short intervals can add a tiny bit of overhead, so pick a balance that fits your workflow. If you work with media-heavy decks, 5 minutes is a solid starting point. For quick text edits, 4 minutes keeps changes even tighter. With that adjustment made, click OK to apply and save your changes. From now on, PowerPoint will quietly capture those recovery snapshots on a regular schedule while you work. If your system crashes, loses power, or the app closes unexpectedly, you won't be starting from scratch. When you reopen PowerPoint, you'll be able to recover the latest version of your presentation, often from a recovery pane that appears automatically. After a normal save and close, those temporary copies aren't needed, but they're invaluable during an interruption. This isn't a substitute for manually saving, but it's a reliable safety net that can turn a potential disaster into a minor hiccup. This simple trick has saved me more times than I can count, and I hope it helps you too. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you don't miss more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.